Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see two big recruitment updates from Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for two different job roles. Both are bulk recruitment updates. And here one is a coding job and second one is non-coding job. And it is applicable for all graduates. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So let's see what is the job roles and what is the requirements. So first recruitment is happening for System and Application Service Associate. The salary that they are offering is 3,33,500 is the pay level. Now the locations for which they are hiring is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon, Kolkata. For multiple locations all around India they are hiring. Now the eligibility criteria is the requirements they have given is BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, BVoc, BMS, BBS. All the non-coding streams are eligible. Also MSc, which is non-computer science and IT, MA, MCom, MFA, mostly all non-coding streams of education is eligible with the year of pass out 2019, 2020, 21 and 22. Okay. So these are the streams of education that are eligible. Mostly all non-coding streams is eligible. So before moving further, I want to share with you a very useful information which will be 100% useful for you and exciting. So the platform which is GeeksforGeeks, it is a very famous platform. It is very much useful for all the users who want to skill up themselves and also for learning new things. So they are conducting a 1 month event which is called Geekolympics. So here this is happening from July 1st to July 31st, and if you register to this Geekolympics, this is completely free of cost. There is no registration fees. So once you register, you will get access to the Geeks calendar in which all the activities are listed. That is on which date what is happening, like that. Okay, so this is completely free of cost. Now talking about July 16th, there is DSA questions challenge. So there is totally 8 beginner level DSA questions will be given to you as a challenge, and the time duration will be 60 minutes, and it will be happening from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. IST. There will be 8 beginner level questions given to you and 60 minutes will be the time duration. It will be happening from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So you can actually select languages from the option C++, Java, Python, and you can solve the DSA problems. There is also negative marking involved. So if you successfully complete the challenge, you will get to win a reward also. So this is completely free of cost. You can participate in Geekolympics. Also, don't forget to participate in the DSA coding challenge on July 16th. The link you can get in description. This is completely free of cost. Please go to the link and register for Geekolympics. All the streams is eligible and year of pass out is 2019, 20, 21 and 22. Okay. Also, they have given that if you are from the coding background, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc, then it is not for you. The second recruitment is actually for those candidates. Okay, so please stay tuned till the end of this video. Now, also they have given that there shouldn't be any backlogs active during the onboarding process. Maximum 1 year gap is allowed. Okay, so this is the requirements. There is no percentage criteria they have given here, but you shouldn't be having any backlogs. That is mandatory. Okay. So these are the requirements. Now talking about the selection process here, there will be mock test happening first. It will be a 10-minute mock test. It is actually to make sure that whether the software is working properly. Also, you will be getting an idea about what type of questions can come. Okay. Then after that, there is cognitive assessment. For the cognitive assessment, you have to study English ability, critical thinking, problem solving, abstract reasoning, etc. Then there is assessment 2. So assessment 1 is actually cognitive session. Assessment 2 is technical assessment. There your technical knowledge will be assessed. Okay. That is common application, Microsoft Office, pseudocode related questions will be there. Networking fundamentals, they will be checking. Also fundamentals of cloud. Okay. Now third assessment is communication test. There your communication skill, vocabulary, sentence mastery, fluency, pronunciation, these areas will be tested. Okay. Then after these 3 assessments, then there will be interviews. Okay, so if you crack this 3 assessment, then you will be called for the interview. That is going to be the selection process. Okay, so if you want to have a detailed look about what is the Accenture selection process, there is a separate video in our channel itself in which I will be explaining all the sessions, what are the assessment, what is the time duration, which all areas you have to study. So you can watch that video. The link I'll be putting in description. Okay. So there'll be 3 assessment, then there'll be interview. That is going to be the selection process. So try to apply for it as soon as possible. The link is still active. Please make sure you apply before it get expired. Okay. The experience also they are asking is 0 to 11 months, means freshers are eligible. They are looking for entry level persons only. So talking about the system and application service associate job, it is a tech support kind of a job. It is a non-coding job. And that's why they are looking for people from only non-coding streams. Okay, so this is a customer service plus tech support kind of a job. So in this job, you have to deal with various technical errors. If some software is not working, then you have to check what is the problem with that. Also computer parts, hardware, and also you have to assist various teams. Okay. If they are facing some technical errors or issues, you have to assist them. That is going to be your job role. Okay. So that is the first recruitment from Accenture. The second recruitment from Accenture is for associate software engineer. 0 to 11 months. Again, they are asking the experience. Here the package is more because it is a coding role. It is 4,50,000 per annum is the starting payment. Okay. Again, they are hiring for mostly all cities of India, which is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon, Kolkata. For all these locations, there is vacancies. Now, let's see what is the eligibility criteria. Okay. The requirement is BB Tech, MEM Tech, MCA, MSc. Only computer science and IT stream is eligible. Okay. So earlier for the first recruitment, they were not considering computer science IT stream. But here they are considering especially computer science and IT stream from year of pass out 2022 only. Okay, so that is the exact requirement. Again, they have given MBA candidates, PGD, BM candidates are not eligible. No active backlogs, maximum 1 year gap. Again, they are not mentioning about percentage criteria. There is no requirement of 60%. It is not mandatory. They have not given like that. Okay, so that is the requirements here. Also, one more thing, you shouldn't be having more than 11 months of experience. So this is again for an entry level post. They are not considering experienced candidates. Okay. Now let's see what is the selection process. Okay. So here again, they have given the selection process will be, initially there will be a mock test, which will be having 20 minutes time duration. Then there will be assessment 1, which will be cognitive plus technical assessment. It is not just cognitive test, but it is cognitive plus technical assessment. That is assessment 1. Then for assessment 2, there is coding assessment. Okay. In that, there will be 2 coding questions given to you, and there is option to select the language of your preference. I'll be giving you that which all languages they are putting in the option. Okay, C, C++, .NET, Java, Python. You have to select 2 languages out of this, in which you have to solve 2 coding questions. Okay, that is going to be the second assessment. So assessment 1 is technical plus cognitive. Assessment 2 is coding assessment. Assessment 3 is same, which is as the first recruitment update, which is for a non-coding job. Here again, assessment 3 is communication test itself. They will be testing for sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency and pronunciation. Okay. After these 3 assessments, there will be interviews. So this is going to be the selection process. So we have actually seen all the areas, selection process and eligibility criteria and all. Now talking about the second job update, which is for associate software engineer. It is a coding job itself. From the requirements itself, it is very much clear that it is a coding job. Okay, and also there is coding round, so you should be having basic coding skills. Even though you are a fresher, you should have studied the basics of or the syntax or structure of programming languages. Okay, so that is required. So that's all about the recruitment updates from Accenture. Package, the location details, everything we have seen. Now, how to apply? I'll be putting two different links in the description box. Just go to the links and apply for it as soon as possible. Both the links are active. Just go to the links and apply for it before the deadline. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the content useful. If yes, please like the video, share the video with your friends, tell them to subscribe. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.